ufuna ukuyazi into engifuna ukuyazi. Nani ufuna nesithenjini? Nani yokwenzani lapho njengoba sokunje? Mawusesithenjini ufana nami uma boy nontombazane nolasborn. We single mother. When will you ever accept that? Ngoba makuthiwa i-school night or i-concert esikoleni uzohamba wedwa ngoba ulapha kwamabanibani. Ingane hardly see their father because ukwamabanibani. Wena ufana nami. In fact ngingcono mina because sengi-acceptile ukuthi ngingedwa. Wena udlala indoda ephethwe yituturutu. Uyikhohlisa ukuthi usemshadweni. Kodwa ukho emshadweni uwedwa. Uyangizwa sensini. Uthatha u5 to 6 days before uzobona indoda yakho ngoba ihamba kwamabanibani. Nizoyizwa nini? Nizoyibona nini lento ukuthi doti? Uningitshela anizwa. Nisaba ukufana nathi ngoba kuthiwa thina siyi-lost cause angithi. Nkampana kaba lost cause khona bakibe rubbish yamona mo sithembungu samasipha.
Yo guys, hayin molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment guys, the Khumalo sisters hayi bayagadlana ke sana and bagadlana ku Instagram. Kuqale lona ke umdala ekungikheli Khumalo ethetha about uba sisithenjini uba usuke ungupopayi wokuqala nokugqibela wena xa unendoda enabafazi aba more than one mfazi of course. So nani nimvile ke into ayichileyo. This was approximately about a month ago, and Uzandile decides to respond only just recently. And nanzike into ayibhalileyo guys. Utaibo, uyazi it's possible for a family member to resent you just because you broke a generational curse or broke generational curses that they thought they would be the ones to break. Toluguti, you are the first to marry in the family. Even your mother akashadile and wena ukwenzile, and you are the first to have a child emshadweni. Bona they had children outside wedlock. Ngubankelo ngukhelina ke sana no mama wakhe, and bayazi kwakushada lokho isekuqala ukuba impossible because badala. Yo guys. And then she says nezingane zakho ezinesibongo esisodwa wena noyise wezingane zakho ukhona in their kids life, and bona dololo. Yo guys, no, this is too much. She shouldn't have said that part, yezingane and present fathers. Kwaze kwabuhlungu kumina enhlizweni. And then she goes on to say, and abantu nje are generally more warm towards you than them. Yo haibo guys, Zandile ukwenze ntoni ukheli le engaka? And so uthi there people are generally more warm towards you than them, and kwalokho kuyabadina. You found out ukuthi your blood actually resents you privately, and ucasula ngisho wenze into encane ayithathe ayenze ihaba kanti no ideep indaba. What's frustrating about that is that wena usuke ungayicelelanga lezi zinto and never benchmarked your life galezi zinto wazinikezwa umdali or idlozi, and obviously usuke ungayicelelanga, but then yena they will then resent you because it's what they think actually belongs to them. Yo sana ayeshema umgadlile umuntu wabantu. Yazi if I was in Zandile's shoes bengizovele ngithule because yo it's too much. It's a lot izinto azishileyo ukuthi usisi wakhe lo mdala kuyabonakala ukuthi unomona ngaye. Now abantu are saying it's obviously ijealousy. Bavumelana noZandile ukuthi vele ukhele Khumalo unejealousy because yena on the other hand into anayo imali, akanabangane, akanamshado, akanabani, akanamndeni, into nje anayo kuphela it's what is money. So yeah guys, nazo indaba zehora, while some others are thinking they are being haunted by spirits zasenzo, bathi nje ever since sweleka usenzo meyiwa akunakuthula nje kulomndeni. But guys, let me know your thoughts and on Bona shortly. Bye guys.